औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। मैं इक़रा स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल हूँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। 1994 इक़रा स्कूल इस्टेब्लिश हुआ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। मैं 2001 से ज्वाइन की हूँ अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। उस ईयर से लेके आज 2026 तक अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं प्रिंसिपल रही हूँ यहाँ की। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह बहुत ज़्यादा डेवलपमेंट्स हुए हैं। हमारे स्टूडेंट्स एवरी अल्टरनेट ईयर हमारे पास साइंस फेयर रखा जाता है ताकि बच्चों की क्रिएटिविटी को हम लोग डेवलपमेंट करना चाह रहे हैं। जैसा कि हमारे पास सब देखे हैं कि मॉडल्स ऐसे बेहतरीन मॉडल्स है जिसकी वजह से आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई स्टूडेंट्स, माई इक़रा स्टूडेंट्स। इवन LKG के स्टूडेंट्स भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी तरीके से अपनी क्रिएटिविटी डेवलप किए हैं। फर्स्ट क्लास स्टूडेंट्स आपने जैसा कि सब देख रहे हैं अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। पेरेंट्स के कई व्यूअर्स है कि बच्चे छोटी छोटी चीज़ को कैसे तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं पेरेंट्स के सामने, ऑडियंस के सामने। बहुत ज़्यादा वो तारीफ़ की गई है, सराहा गया है कि आपके इक़रा स्कूल के बच्चों का टैलेंट एंटिक है अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई स्टूडेंट्स। इसके अलावा अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह प्रोजेक्टर पे कई प्यारे प्यारे AI के डेवलपमेंट्स नेक्स्ट ईयर। हाउ AI कैसा तरीक़े से हमारे पास आगे के ज़िंदगियों में किस तरीक़े से कंपलसरी हमारी ज़िंदगी में वो उसको हमें रूबे अमल लाया जा रहा है। साइंटिफिकल टेक्नोलॉजी कैसी डेवलप की जा रही है। और उसके अलावा ब्लड टेस्ट की में भी बच्चे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह 9th क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स किस तरीके से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। और जैसा कि वो टेस्ट किए हैं, हर कोई अपना ब्लड ग्रुप जानते हैं, फिर भी क्या है वो बच्चों का एग्जामिन करने के लिए वो लोग दे रहे हैं, लेकिन एग्जैक्टली वो करेक्ट ब्लड ग्रुप बच्चे रिप्रेजेंट किए हैं। और छोटे छोटे बच्चे साइंटिफिकली मैथमेटिकली प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाए हैं और बायोलॉजिकल साइंस के हैं, जैसे कि सोशल स्टडीज़ के हैं, सोलार सिस्टम रिप्रेजेंट करे हैं। फिर बेहतरीन तरीके से देखकर ऐसा ताज्जुब हो रहा है कि ये बच्चे कैसे तरीके से ये मॉडल्स कैसा बनाए होंगे और फिर उसके तरीके से उसका जो कन्वर्सेशन है वो पेरेंट्स के साथ, ऑडियंस के साथ रिप्रेजेंट भी कर रहे हैं। ना सिर्फ ये बोल के आज कल के दौर में जिस तरीके से हमारे पास इस्लामिक कल्चर को हम लोग कैसा उससे पीछे हट रहे हैं, वो चीज़ को भी बेहतरीन अंदाज में बतलाया गया है। इस्लामिक कल्चर और पहले के कदीम दौर में हमारे पास कैसे तरीके से इस्लाम फैला है वो तरीके को भी पेश किया गया है। फिर अब नेक्स्ट कल से अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रमज़ान शरीफ आ रहे हैं, उसको भी बेहतरीन अंदाज में पेश किया गया है। इसी तरीके से सारे मॉडल्स, बहरहाल कोई मॉडल हमारे पास बचा नहीं। तकरीबन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह 300 मॉडल्स हमारे स्कूल के LKG to 10th के बच्चे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, जिसमें वर्किंग मॉडल्स अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह 200 है, 100 नॉन वर्किंग मॉडल्स है, बेहतरीन अंदाज में टोटली परफेक्शन के साथ रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है। दैट्स व्हाई एज ए प्रिंसिपल आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई ऑल इक़रा स्टूडेंट्स अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
Good morning everyone. Myself Syed Uzaif. I am from 10th standard. I want to explain about science related models. Here kidneys. Kidneys are vital bean shaped organ that act as a primary filtration system, cleaning 200 quarts of blood daily to remove waste, excess water as urine. They maintain blood pressure, balance electrolytes and regulate the body fluids. This is animal cell. An animal cell is the basic unit of life in animal. It is different from plant cell because it does not have cell wall or chloroplast. DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid is the fundamental molecule of our life, acting as a blueprint for every living organism located in cell nucleus. Its double helix structure carries genetic information for development. A plant cell is a basic unit of life in plant. It is different from an animal cell because it has some special parts. The human heart is tireless, first size muscular organ in the human body, beating over 1 lakh times daily and operating 24 hours to sustain life. This is the structure of nephron. The nephron is the structure and the function unit of kidney. The nephron filters our blood in the body by forming urine. This is the structure of teeth. Teeth are vital for digestion and acting as the hardest substance in the human body, made up of enamel, dentine, and pulp, with 32 permanent teeth, including incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. And teeth are essential for breakdown of food. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Myself Sheikh Akram. I am the student of 10th class from Iqra High School.
Good morning everyone. Myself Sheikh Mustafa. I am the student of 10th class in Iqra High School.
Today we are presenting our project on the modern periodic table.
The first modern table was developed by Dmitry Mendeleev in 1869. He arranged elements based on atomic mass.
Later it has created or arranged according to their atomic number by the Henry Moseley. Let's discuss how many elements do we have at the present. We have 118 elements at present right now, from the hydrogen atomic number 1 to the oxygen atomic number 118.
In this periodic table, 4 blocks are there: S block, D block, P block, F block.
Let's discuss how the periodic table is classified. The periodic table is classified into 7 groups and 18 periods. The horizontal rows are known as 7 periods and the vertical columns are known as 18 groups.
Alkali metals.
Let's discuss about their properties, how they are categorized. The first thing is alkali metal, alkaline earth metal, transition metal, post transition metal, reactive non-metals.
Unknown properties: noble gases, actinides, metalloids, lanthanides. Thank you.
Thank you.
My name. Good morning. My name is Sheikh High School. Studying LKG. My project name. Where is the Kaaba? Where is the Kaaba? Do you know? You come with me. I will show. It is in Makkah. The holy land for many centuries. Every Muslim says to go. Where is the Kaaba? Do you know? Thank you. अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। हमारा नाम अमारा खानम है। हम जमात शिशुम के तालिबा है। हमारे मॉडल का नाम कातिबीन वही है, यानी हमारे नबी पर जो वही नाजिल होती थी वो आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम खुद नहीं लिखते थे। उम्मी होने की वजह से, यानी पढ़ना लिखना ना जानने की वजह से, तो अल्लाह ताला की तरफ से नाजिल करदा इस मुकद्दस किताब को आप सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम चंद सहाबियों के हाथों लिखवा दिया करते थे जो पढ़ना लिखना जानते थे। उन्हीं को कातिबीन वही कहा जाता है। उनकी कुल तादाद 43 थी। उस वक्त का दौर आज के दौर की तरह कागजी और ऑनलाइन दौर नहीं था कि कोई भी चीज को प्रिंट कर दिया या टैप कर दिया और वो यूं हाजिर, बल्कि उस वक्त पर तमाम तर सहूलियात मौजूद नहीं थे। उस वक्त कातिबीन वही ने कुरानुल करीम की आयतों को दरख्तों की छालों पर, चमड़ों पर, हड्डियों पर, पत्थरों पर, चकलों पर, पत्तों पर, कदीम कागज पर लिखकर महफूज कर दिया। हजरत उमर और हजरत उस्मान रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हुमा के जमाने में मुकम्मल इकट्ठा करके आज जिस सूरत हाल में मौजूद कर दिया गया और उसको महफूज कर दिया गया। अल्लाह हम सबको कुरान को समझने की और पढ़ने की तौफीक अता फरमाए। जज़ाकल्लाह।
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone. My name is Khatija Fatima and I am studying 6th standard. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Pare 5 Surah Nisa ayat number 31. In tajtanibu kaba'ira ma tunhauna anhu nukaffir ankum sayyi'atikum wa nadkhilkum mudkhalan karima. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone. My name is Surana Al-Fisha and I am studying in 6th standard. आप उन बड़े गुनाहों से दूर रहो जिनसे तुम्हें कहा गया है, तो हम तुम्हारी छोटी बुराइयां माफ कर देंगे और तुम्हें इज्जत की जगह में दाखिल कर देंगे. Islam sins are divided into minor and major sins that are clearly forbidden by Allah and have been strongly warned against in the Quran and Hadith. Shirk, associating partners with Allah or worshipping ones other than Him. Murder, talking an innocent human life unjustly. Disrespecting parent, disavowing, hurting and neglecting one's parent. Lying, taking someone's property without their permission. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning. Myself Furia Afsa. I'm studying 7th standard.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning. Myself Isra Kausar. I'm studying 7th standard.
My project name is Jannat and Jahannam. Today I would like to speak about Jannat and Jahannam, two important concepts in Islam that remind us the purpose of life and the consequences of our actions. In Islam, this world is a test. Every human being is given free will to choose between right and wrong. Our choices, intentions, action decide our final destinations in the hereafter, either Jannah, the place of eternal peace, and Jahannam, the place of punishment. That's why we always zikr of this ayat. Allahumma ajirni minan nar. Allah save me from the hellfire. Jannat or paradise is described as a place of unimaginable beauty and happiness. It is a reward from Allah for those who believe in Him, worship sincerely, and live a life of honesty, kindness, patience, and justice. In Jannah, there is no pain, no fear, no sadness, and no death. Rivers flow beneath beautiful gardens, and every wish of the believers is fulfilled. Most importantly, the people of Jannat will earn the pleasures of Allah, which is greatest reward of all.
On the other hand, Jahannam or hell is a place of punishment for those who knowingly reject truth, spirit, evil, zulm, oppression, injustice, and disobedience to Allah. Jahannam serves as a strong warning to humanity that actions have consequences. It reminds us to stay away from arrogance, cruelty, dishonesty, and harmful behavior. May Allah guide us all to the straight path and grant us Jannat. Ameen. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present my project here.
Good morning everyone. My name is Shafqan Malik. My father name is Muhammad Sirajuddin. My mother name is Nurja. My school name is Akhra School English Medium. I am studying the class. My project name is plants names. Rose plants, herbs, trees, leaves, coconut trees. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Khatria Tulku Plant, studying first class English medium. My topic name is source of water. Water comes from rain, river, lake, ponds, and underground water wells, which we use for drinking, cooking, and washing clothes with water. Thank you. Good morning, myself Tahura Tasmeen. I am studying in 3rd standard in Akhra High School English Medium. Today I am going to explain my project, that is solar system. The solar system is made up of the sun, planets, moons and other objects. The sun is at the center of the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. Earth is the only planet known to support life. Mars is called the red planet. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. The solar system also has asteroids and comets. All planets move around the sun in fixed paths called orbits. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Saidiya. I am studying in second standard. Today I am going to explain my project. Types of transport. Transport helps us to travel from one place to another. There are three main types of transport. Land transport includes cars, buses, etc. Water transport includes boat, ship, etc. Air transport includes aeroplane and helicopter. It is the fastest mode of transport. Aeroplane help in long distance traveled. Water transport move on water. Air transport flies in the sky. Transport help in trade and traveled. Thank you.
सर हमारी प्रिंसिपल मैडम हमारे तो सोलर से पास आप है ना मतलब इन लोगों के जहाँ जहाँ मॉडल है ना मैडम की फोटो है और उन लोग एक जगह आपको लगाते वो मैडम का अलग से ही लेने लगेगा ठीक है
Good afternoon, sir. I am Farhan from class 10 Iqra High School. Let us explain to our project on the solar system in a simple way. If you look at the sky, everything may seem calm, but actually our solar system is always in motion. At the center in the sun and all planets moving around it continuously. The sun acts like a powerhouse. It gives light, heat and hold the planet together using gravitational force. Because of this force, planets also don't fall into the sun.
In this model, the planets are placed in the order of their distance from the sun. The planets closer to the sun are hot, and as we move further, the planets become colder. That is why Mercury is very hot and Neptune is extremely cold. Earth is special not because it is the biggest, but because it has the right distance from the sun. This allows air, water and life to exist. This model is not about just naming planets. It has understands how balanced motion and stable. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning. Myself Maria Gahar. I am from 10th standard in Iqra High School. Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. Myself Anshara Nath and I am studying in 9th standard in Iqra High School. Today we are going to explain visually about artificial intelligence AI. Today we hear the word artificial intelligence everywhere, but most people think that AI is either magic or very dangerous. My project is about how AI is already helping us in our daily life, how it understands human emotions, how it gets false information, and finally, how it can also harm us if we depend on it blindly. This project is not about machine replacing humans, it is about how AI assisting humans and where it must stop. What AI actually is. Before explaining application, we must understand what AI really is, because most misunderstanding starts here. AI is not intelligence like humans, it does not think, feel, or understand meanings. AI works in 4 simple steps. It takes data, it finds patterns, it makes predictions. AI in daily life decisions. Now let's see how AI helps us in our daily life decisions, especially food, health and habit. When we use food app, fitness app or even a study planner, AI does not care about your health. It simply compares your past choices, your age and activity, millions of similar users, and then it predicts your future outcome. For example, if a person eats junk food daily, AI can predict a higher chance of obesity or low energy. So it suggests healthier alternatives. This is useful because humans are emotional decision makers while AI is data driven. AI suggests you might decide. Now you might be thinking that AI decides the best diet for everyone. Then no, AI can decide. It gives generalized suggestions. It gives generalized suggestion. It does not think, culture, taste, emotions and medical conditions fully. AI and human emotions. Many people say AI understanding emotions. This is partly true and partly false. AI does not feel emotions. AI dictates signals of emotions. For example, voice, its tone, speed and pitch. Text, its word choice, sentence structure. Face, expression and movement.
Based on this, AI labels emotions like sad, angry, or happy. This system responds differently based on detecting human emotions. Let me give you some daily life examples. Customer support calls, mental health apps, online learning platforms. AI can dictate sadness, but it cannot care. A powerful reminder of the limits of technology in understanding human emotions. AI and lie or fake information detection. In today's world, fake information spread faster than truth. AI helps detecting probable lies, not guarantee lies. AI checks emotional language like shocking, must, words, repetition of false claims, fake images or videos, reliability of the source. Based on this, AI labels emotions like sad, angry, or happy. Let me give you an important clarity. AI does not know truth. AI calculates probability. AI can dictate emotional lies, not truth itself. You must be think that AI can make mistakes in detecting fake news. So yes, AI can wrongly flag true contact or fake misquote crafted.
So AI does not give the best answer. It gives the most probable answer based on your past data. AI works based on your past data. AI does not think, feel, or understand meanings.
Disadvantage and dangers of AI. This is the most important part where AI can harm us. The biggest danger is of loss of privacy, over-dependent, addiction to recommendation, deep fake voices and videos, job displacement. The real danger is not AI itself. The danger is the detecting probable thought itself. When humans stop thinking, AI becomes dangerous. Basically now, we all might think that AI should be stopped, but no, AI can control, regulate it and use to responsibility, not feared.
How AI makes decisions. AI does not think step by step like humans. It uses mathematical models to calculate the most probable answer. For example, when YouTube recommends a video, AI does not know whether you will like it or not. It simply compares your past choices. So AI is powerful but not reliable without human supervision. The future of artificial intelligence or corporation. The future of artificial intelligence depends on how humans use it. AI itself is neither good nor bad. If used correctly, AI can assist doctors, reduce critical thinking in students, improve education. Therefore, the real challenge is not building a smarter AI, but building a responsible human who can control it. When humans cease to think critically and independently, the potential for AI to become dangerous increases significantly. AI should remain a support system, not a decision maker for a human life. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Mahi Neeram. I am studying 9th standard in Iqra High School.
Good morning everyone, my name is Zanira Fatima. I am studying 9th standard in Iqra High School.
Our topic name is
rainwater harvesting working model.
Rainwater harvesting working model is a rainwater harvesting is a method of collecting, storing and using rainwater for future needs instead of letting it flow away as runoff. Parts of the working model. Roof by catchment area. This represents the top of a house building where rainwater first falls. Gutters and pipe. These canals collect rainwater from the roof and carry it downwards. Filter unit. The filter removes the slips and impurities. It can be made using layers of stones and sand and charcoal.
Working of the model. When it rains, water falls on the roof catchment area. The water flows through gutters and pipes. It passes through a filter where dirt and impurities are removed. The filtered water is collected in a storage tank. Excess water flows into a recharge pit, increasing groundwater level. Rainwater harvesting is a simple, eco-friendly and cost-effective method to conserve water. By using this system, we can protect natural water resources and ensure water availability for the future. Thank you. बस
Good morning everyone, my name is Navish Naz. I am studying in 8th English medium and today my topic name is agriculture working model.
Good morning everyone, my name is Rahim Begum. I am studying 8th standard in Iqra High School.
Natural farming makes natural products which are chemical free and good for health.
8% advanced technology and chemical fertilizer are used to get high productivity, but the quality of decreasing in comparison. Natural farming helps reducing soil pollution and air pollution.
The use of harmful chemical fertilizers and pesticides will poison our food cycle. The only disadvantages of natural farming is it is a costly in comparison to commercial farming method.
Now let's discuss the different types of natural farming. First we have fish farming, in which invaluable natural farming. 8% advanced technology and chemical fertilizer are used to get high productivity.
Third, we have wood farming, also known as tree farming or forest farming, which is the cultivation of trees for high volume wood production. And lastly, we have greenhouse farming or forest farming, which is a method of growing crops in a controlled environment to protect them from pests, diseases, and bad weather conditions. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Sofyan Bhutan. I am studying 6th standard and today I am going to explain my project. My project name is Smart City. A smart use technology, it improves city life. It focuses on improving transportation. It focuses citizens can pay bills and service online. Waste and garbage are managed or use smart systems. Smart cities help city life. Thank you.
January from 10th standard.
Good morning, myself Aisha from 10th standard in Iqra High School.
Good morning, myself Shagufta from 10th standard.
Today we are here to explain the structure of eye. This model demonstrates how the human eye functions like a camera to process light into images. Light enters the cornea and pupil is focused by lens onto the retina and convert into electrical signals. The brain then processes the signals to form the final image.
Let's know more detail about the structure of eye. Cornea, the transparent outer layer that refracts light first. Iris and pupil, the transparent colored part controls the amount of light entering through the pupil, adjusting like camera aperture.
Let's know about the last part of the eye. It is optic nerve. Transmit this electrical influence to the brain for interpretation working mechanism. Light from an object passes through the cornea and pupil. The retina transfers this image into the brain.
Thank you.
I am studying 10th standard. Today I am going to explain my project. My project name is Animals and Their Food. Animals need food to live, grow. Food give animals that are healthy. Different animals eat different kinds of food. Some animals eat seeds, grass. Animals need food to live. Some animals eat plants. We shout care for animals and nature. Food helps animals grow strong. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Mafira Mirza. I am studying 1st standard in Iqra High School English medium. Today I am going to my project, Indian festivals. India is a land of many festivals. Indian festivals show our culture and traditions. Diwali is the festival of lights. Holi is the festival of colors. Eid is celebrated by Muslims with joy and praise. Christmas is celebrated by Christians to mark the birth of Jesus. Dussehra celebrates the victory of good over evil. Pongal and Baisakhi are harvest festival of India. Festivals bring happiness and unity among people. Indian festivals teach us love, sharing and respect. Thank you.
Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. Solar system also has asteroids and comets. All planets
pushed out through the straw and the balloon seals it. This shows how we expect carbon dioxide. The blood circulation system helps in transporting oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste materials throughout in our body. It is made up of three main parts: the heart, blood, and vessels. These all parts of our body. There are three types of blood vessels: artery, vein, because it supplies oxygen and nutrients to cells, removes carbon dioxide, helps fighting diseases, maintains body temperature. Thank you. Myself, I am from textile engineer. I work with 5 years old. In the environment, animal system, definition of life in animals, which is different from plant cells, because it does not have cells or chemicals. It is all life-saving fiber that act as a fiber and operating 24 hours to sustain life. The human brain is the three-part organ, and the human brain is a three-part organ that acts as a common center of our entire body. It consumes 20% of the body's energy and also oxygen. This is the structure of the nephron. The nephron is the basic structure and the function of breathing. The nephron filters our blood, forming as urine. This is the structure of the neuron. A neuron, special type of cell, neuron sends signals between the brain and the spinal cord and other parts of the body. Thank you. Mitochondria is Calamera. Calamera is one of the organs in the world that is primitive. It was built by King Karikara around 2000 years ago. Across the river from Tamil Nadu, Kapadamara. The main purpose of the Calamera is irrigation. It helps in distributing river water to the land. In this working order, water represents the river covering the natural purpose of flow of water. The canal show how water is diverted to agriculture fields. This helps in controlling excess water during flood. Special features: using some components designed to reduce water speed, distinct useful others are not here. Importance: calamity and support agriculture, finance and food protection. Ensure the engineering skills of agriculture, conservation, modern features and importance of water management and irrigation are made as part of our Indian state. Kalana, where is the flowing water? Thank you. We are mixing this. Please stay positive.
Presenting our project on the modern periodic table. First modern periodic table was developed by Benjamin Analyst in Helen Christina. The right element is the atomic mass. Let's start how the element are categorized in each periodic table. In each periodic table, atoms are categorized.
Good morning everyone, my name is Farin Fatma, I am studying 8th class.
Good morning everyone, my name is Zoya Askin, I am studying 8th standard in High School.
Today we are going to speak about Ghar Hira. Ghar Hira is a cave located on Jabal Nur mountain near Makkah, Saudi Arabia. It is a very important history place. The cave is about 3 meter long and 2 meter wide.
This cave is special because Prophet Muhammad used to come here to pray and think deeply. It is in this cave that he received the first revelation of the Holy Quran through angel Jibreel.
From a science point of view, Ghar Hira is naturally formed by rock weathering and erosion over thousands of years. The cave has a calm and kind environment which helps in meditation and concentration.
Ghar Hira teaches the importance of peace, patience, learning and reflection. It shows how nature and environment can support deep thinking and positive ideas.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. Myself Shimam Harin and I am studying 7th English medium in Iqra High School. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna Allah Rabbi wa Rabbakum fa'budu hadha siratan mustaqim. बेशक अल्लाह ही मेरा और तुम्हारा रब है, बस तुम उसकी इबादत करो, यही सीधा रास्ता है.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. Myself Mavish Fatima and I am studying 7th standard in Iqra High School. खाना काबा की मालूमात. खाना काबा का नक्शा जिब्राइल अलैहिस्सलाम ने तैयार किया है. खाना काबा की तामीर तकरीबन 4000 साल ऐसा बीत चुका है. खाना काबा की छत पर कुल 80 खंजिले हैं. खाना काबा के 5 पहाड़ों के पत्थरों से तामीर किए गए. खाना काबा की इमारत की बुलंदी 49 फीट ऊंचाई है. खाना काबा की मशरिक दीवार की लंबाई 38 फीट 18 ऊंची है. खाना काबा की जुनूबी दीवार की लंबाई 32 फीट ऊंचाई ऊंची है. खाना काबा की कर्सी जमीन से 4 फीट 6.5 इंच है. मजासूद खाना काबा जुनूब मशरिक सिमत में है. खाना काबा की ऊंचाई 54 फीट 18 ऊंची है. खाना काबा का पहला दरवाजा असद हमली ने तैयार किया था. थैंक यू.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Humaira Begum, studying 10th class Urdu medium.
Assalamualaikum. Myself Sadia Sultana, I am studying in 10th Urdu medium. रमजान का असल मकसद तक़वा हासिल करना और रज़ा हासिल करना है. रमजान के अहम फराइज़ ज़कातुल फित्र और ज़िक्र दुआ है. ज़कातुल फित्र यानी एक सदका होता है जो रमजान की ईद से पहले अदा करना वाजिब होता है, जिसका मकसद गरीब और मुस्तहिक़ लोगों को खुशियों में शामिल करना होता है.
अबू हुरैरा से रिवायत है कि रसूलुल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने इरशाद फरमाया, जब रमजान की पहली रात होती है तो शयातीन और सरकशी जिन्नात को कैद कर दिया जाता है और दोज़ख के सारे दरवाजे को बंद कर दिया जाता है. इसका कोई दरवाजा खुला नहीं रहता, जबकि जन्नत के दरवाजे को खोल दिया जाता है.
फिर इसका कोई दरवाजा बंद नहीं रहता. ऐलान करने वाला फरिश्ता के ऐलान कहता है कि ऐ भलाई करने वाले इंसान मुतवज्जे हो जा, ऐ बुराई करने वाले इंसान बाज आ जा, क्योंकि अल्लाह ताला इस रमजान मुबारक के सदक़े आपसे महफूज रखता है.
रमजान के फवाइद. रमजान मुबारक का महीना खैर व बरकत का महीना होता है. मुसलमान को मुसलमान बनकर अपने नेक अमाल के मुताबिक ढाल लेने का महीना है. दौलतमंद को अपनी दौलतमंदी के जरिए अल्लाह को राजी और खुश करने का महीना है. गरीब को अपनी गरीबी के बावजूद नेक अमाल करने का महीना है. रमजान का महीना आता है तो फिजा को पुरनूर बना देता है और ईमान वाले लोगों में मसरत की लहर को दौड़ा देता है.
रमजान की बरकतों का अंदाजा लगाना हो तो इस बात से लगाइए कि जब रमजान आता है तो अल्लाह ताला के हुक्म से शयातीन खैर सलासिल कर दिए जाते हैं, जन्नत के दरवाजे खोल दिए जाते हैं, दोज़ख के दरवाजे बंद कर दिए जाते हैं और शयातीन जितना काम इंसानों को अच्छी कामों से रोकना और बुरे कामों की जानिब सब्ज़बाग दिखलाना होता है, उनको भी रोक दिया जाता है.
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह फिर से एक मरतबा रमजान का महीना सया फिगन है. मग़फ़िरत की तबीर लगा दी गई है. पुकारने वाला पुकारता है कि है कोई जो मुझसे मांगे और उसको अता करता हूँ. है कोई जो मुझसे अपने गुनाहों की माफी मांगे और उसके सारे गुनाहों को माफ फरमा देता हूँ.
लिहाजा जरूरी है कि रमजान से पूरी तौर से इस्तिफादा हासिल करें और अपने निज़ामुल औक़ात में ज्यादा से ज्यादा वक्त नमाज, इबादत और हदीसों के लिए गुजारे. खुशियों में है मसरत की लहर दौड़ी हुई, शोरे है औचे फलक पर आमदे रमजान का. कैद होते हैं शयातीन इस माह मुबारक में, गीत गाते हैं फरिश्ते रमजान के.
बेज़बान को जब वो जुबान देता है, पढ़ने को फिर वो कुरान देता है. बख्शने पर आ जाए वो उम्मत के गुनाहों को, तोहफे में गुनाहगारों को रमजान देता है. जज़ाकल्लाह.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Sumaya Fatima. I'm studying 6th standard. पारे 3 सूरह आल इमरान आयत नंबर 96. इन्ना कुरान में अल्लाह ताला ने फरमाया इन्ना वाला बैती उज़िया लिन्नास लिल्लज़ी बिबक्कता मुबारका व दलिल आलमीन. बेशक सबसे पहला घर जो लोगों की इबादत के लिए बनाया गया वही मक्का में है, बाबरकत है और सारे जहान वालों के लिए हिदायत है. The Kaaba is a cube shaped building located in Makkah, Saudi Arabia. It is made of granite and is carefully constructed to withstand weather and time. Scientists and historians admire its geometry, precision, stability and durability. Through my project, I learned that Islamic heritage combines with science and engineering. The Kaaba is not just a holy site; it is also a remarkable example of a humane knowledge and wisdom. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Umama Fatima. I'm studying in 6th standard. Today I am presenting my science fair project on the Kaaba. Para 3 Surah Al Imran ayat number 96. Quran में अल्लाह ताला ने फरमाया इन्ना अव्वल बैति वुज़िअ लिन्नास लिल्लज़ी बिबक्कता मुबारका व हुदल लिल आलमीन. बेशक सबसे पहला घर जो लोगों की इबादत के लिए बनाया गया वही है जो बाबरकत है और सारे जहान वालों के लिए हिदायत है. The Kaaba is a cube-shaped building located in Makkah, Saudi Arabia. It is made of granite and is carefully constructed to withstand weather and time. Scientists and historians admire the geometry, precision, stability and durability. Through my project, I learned that Islamic heritage combines with science and engineering. The Kaaba is not just a holy site; it is also a remarkable example of human knowledge and wisdom. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Zunaira Fatima and I'm studying first class English medium. My school name is Iqra High School. My topic name is lungs. They supply oxygen to the blood and body tissues. Lungs remove CO2 from the blood. Thank you.
फूको बेटे फूको. बस
नहीं जी टीचर. क्या करते टीचर है से मैं चाहता हूँ क्या करूँ मैं.
एक्सप्लेन सर जूम करो दीदी.
Good morning, sir, madam. My name is Musa. I'm studying 6th standard. Today's my project name is volcano. A volcano is an opening in the earth crust through which hot molten rock called magma ash and gases come out. When magma reaches the earth's surface, it is called lava. Volcanoes can be dangerous because they cause lava flow, ash clouds and destruction. For my project, I made a volcano model to show how a purification happiness. I used materials like baking soda, vinegar, food color and dish soap to create a chemical resources. Thank you.
Good morning, sir and madam. My name is Navid. I am studying 6th standard.
Good morning, sir and madam. My name is Asif Fatima. I am studying 6th standard.
Landform are natural feature of the earth surface. Some common landform mountain, plant, plateaus, wetlands, river, desert and ocean. These landforms are formed of year by natural process like erosion, weathering and movement tectonic. Thank you.
Landform are natural feature of the earth surface. Some common landform are mountains, plants, plateaus, wetlands, river, desert and ocean. These landforms are formed over millions of desert and ocean. Landform are natural feature of the earth surface. Some common landform are mountains, plants, plateaus, wetlands, river, desert and ocean. These landforms are formed over millions of rivers by natural process.
Good morning, everyone. Myself Butul Beka. I am studying in standard. Good morning to all. My name is Shaisa Firoz. I am studying in 8th standard. My model name is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting rainwater and storing it for future use. In my model, rainwater from the roof is collected through pipes and gutters. This water passes there through a filter which removes dust and impurities. After filtration of water is stored in a storage tank. This stored water can be used drinking after purification, gardening, cleaning, farming. Extra water sent to be recharged paid to increase the groundwater level. This system helps in saving water, reducing water scarcity and the environment. Save water today, secure tomorrow. Have a nice day.
Mirza Sama Beg. I am studying in 5th standard in Iqra High School. Today I am going to explain my science fair project, that is volcano. A volcano is an opening in the earth surface from where hot lava, ash and gases come out. Volcanoes are formed due to very high heat inside the earth. There are 3 types of volcano: active, dormant and extinct volcano. Now I will show you how a volcano erupts using my working model. As you can see, the lava is coming out from the top just like a real volcano. This happens when pressure builds up inside the earth and pushes the lava outside. Volcanoes can be dangerous, but they also help in farming new land and make the soil fertile. Through this model, I tried to show you how a volcano erupts in real life. I hope you enjoyed watching my project and learned something new from it. This brings me to the end of my presentation. Thank you for your time and attention. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Mohammed Dube. Sheep, trees, sun, road, house, trees, road, run, sun, house, sheep, trees. Thank you.
Myself, Vera Fatima, and I am studying 7th standard. Today I am going to explain air pollution. Air pollution happens when harmful substances like smoke, dust, and poisonous gases mix with the air. This model shows source effects and control of the air pollution. Parts of the model. The factory and vehicle show the source of pollutants. Smoke represents harmful gases like carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. The trees and the green area shows clean and fresh air. The filter plant area shows pollute control method. Working of the model. When smoke comes out from the factory and vehicle show the air becomes polluted. As the smoke passes through filter and trees, the level of pollution reduces. This shows how plants and technology help in cleaning the dustbin. That is a dustbin. Effects of the air pollution. Air pollution causes breathing problems, global warming, accident, and harm living beings. Control measure. The factory. That's also factory. House. Factory. Effects of the air pollution. Air pollution causes breathing problems, global warming, accident, and harm living beings. Control measure. Plant more trees, use public transport, install chimney filtering, factories use renewable energy. Consolidation.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Alisha Fatima. Today, I am explaining my project for consolidation. This model teaches us that air pollution can be controlled if work together to protect nature. Stop pollution, be the solution. Thanks for watching my project for.
Yes.
Zebra, camel, hathi, elephant, tiger, bakri, guy, goat, cat, dog, heron, giraffe. And helicopter, car, ganda, dolphin, fishes, आदमी.
इसका मीनिंग क्या है?
मीनिंग
ज़ीब्रा क्रॉसिंग. ज़ू पार्क है.
ज़ू पार्क.
ओके, ज़ू पार्क. ऐसा जाना है. ऐसा जाना. क्या शॉर्ट है बेटा?
ज़ेब्रा, कैमल, एलिफेंट, टाइगर, जिराफ, कैट, डॉग,
गाय
इधर कार आकर क्यों है?
गोट
आदमी कहीं को नहीं है।
हेलीकॉप्टर कार से
आदमी कहीं को नहीं है। हेलीकॉप्टर से पार्किंग एरिया हाँ आदमी कहीं को नहीं है। कार में आदमी पार्किंग एरिया मींस हाउ द स्टैंड मैन विल बी देयर।
लाटू जरा पे
That is parking area. Okay, beta, you have showed that animals, different types of animals you have showed, na? Good. All the best.
Good morning everyone. My name is Chegura. I am studying first class English medium. My topic name is solar system. The solar system has the sun in the middle with eight planets like our Earth that go around. The sun is a big hot star in the middle of our solar system. Thank you.
Here, beta, where is the Earth?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Okay, beta, here in this model, where is the Earth? Earth, where is the Earth? You have to show me. Earth कहाँ पर है? Earth. You have to show me Earth.
Yeah.
Earth. Very good. Where is the Mercury? Very good. Where is the Uranus? Very good. Where is the Venus?
Venus.
Very good. Good bit. Excellent.
Good morning, respected judges. Myself, Aisha Goha. I am studying 7th standard English medium in Accra High School.
Good morning, respected judges. Myself, Manfar. I am studying 7th class English medium in Accra High School. Today, I am going to presenting my Max Bike working model. What is a Max Bike? A Max Bike is a bike where we learn mathematics to real life. Objects like swings, slides, wheels, paths, and shapes. It shows that the mathematics is everywhere around us, not only in books. Aim of my model. The main aim of my Max Bike model is to make students learn maths in a fun, practical, and interesting way. Why is this model useful for students? Because students learn better by seeing and doing, not just by reading. Is this model related to your syllabus? Yes, it is related to topics like geometry, angles, circles, symmetry, and measurements for our syllabus.
A Max Bike is a creative way to learn mathematics through fun activities and real-life examples. It helps students understand mathematical concepts easily by seeing and doing, not just by reading. In my model, I have shown different sections that explain how maths is connected to our daily life. Like these areas are shown numbers and patterns. Through this model, students can learn counting, addition, and multiplication in a playful manner. Pattern can also help develop logical thinking. Here, I have included a measurement zone which explains length, weight, and time. This shows how we use maths in everyday activities like shopping, cooking, and traveling. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to present my model.
Okay. The angle which is less than 90 degrees, that angle is called as
Acute angle.
Very good. Than 180 degrees.
Obtuse angle. Good morning everyone. My name is Arvina Mirza. I am studying 4th standard in Accra High School. Today I am going to speak about my country, our country, India. India is a great and beautiful country. It is also called Bharat. India is one of the largest countries in the world. India is located in Asia. Our country has 29 states. You know, on the tortoise, the capital of India is New Delhi. India is known for its unity in this possibility. People of different religious, languages, and culture together happily. We speak many languages like Urdu, Telugu, English, Hindi, Tamil, etc. After this, my friend will continue.
Good morning everyone. My name is Arfa Fatima. I am studying in 4th standard in Accra High School English medium. Today I am going to speak about my country, our country, India. India has a rich history and culture. We celebrate many festivals such as Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Pongal, Sankranti, Holi, etc. India has many famous monuments like the Taj Mahal, Red Fort, and Qutub Minar, etc. India is our motherland. We have to love our country very much. We should respect our country and be good citizens. Thank you.
Who is the father of nation?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Mahatma Gandhi only.
Yes.
Who is the first president of India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
Very good. Can you show me that Uttarakhand capital?
Where is the Uttarakhand here? Where is the Gujarat? Where is the Gujarat? Very good.
तालिब है। हमारे मॉडल का नाम एयर पोल्यूशन फिजा आलूगी है। फिजा आलूगी से मुराद शहर गैस और गर्द गुबार का शामिल होना जो इंसानी सेहत माहौल के लिए इंतहाई खतरनाक होते हैं। ये बुनियादी तौर पर कारखानों, फैक्ट्रियों, मोटर जलाने से फैलती है। इससे कैंसर बीमारियां पैदा होते हैं।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, हमारा नाम हुमेरा है, हम जमात हसन की तलबा है। मेरे मॉडल का नाम फिजाई आलूगी एयर पोल्यूशन है। फिजाई आलूगी के अहम पहलू कारोबार से, ट्रकों से निकलने वाली गैस, फैक्ट्रियों से खाली जाने वाला जहरीला धुआं, तामीनी मकामात से उड़ने वाली मिट्टी, कचरा और सारी बाकियात को जलाना, असरात, अक़दाम, सांस की बीमारी, दम, दिल के अमराज, फेफड़ों का कैंसर, एसिड रेन, तेजाबी बारिश और ग्लोबल वार्मिंग में इजाफा। आखिर मैं यही कहूंगी कि फिजाई आलूगी को हमेशा हुकूमती पॉलिसी जरूरी है ताकि फिजाई आलूगी को साफ और यकीनी बनाया जा सके। थैंक यू।
आलूगी से आपको क्या सबक मिलता है?
मतलब आलूगी नहीं करना,
फैक्ट्रियों को समंदर के किनारे
नहीं लगाना,
इससे बीमारियां होने वाली बीमारियां,
दम होता है, दिल के अमराज, फेफड़ों में कैंसर होता है।
My name is Sayyid. Studying first class English medium Iqra High School. I'm having vowel sounds A, E, I, O, U. Vowels A, pamba. Vowels E, penna letter. Vowels I, depositor. Vowels O, water. Thank you.
Where is the E? E. Where is the E here?
E.
In these 5 vowels are there. Now, how many vowels are there? Count it. How many vowels are there?
A, E, I, O, U.
Means 1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
How many vowels are there? 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Where is the A here?
A.
Very good. पढ़ो।
अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मेरा नाम मुनीबा साद है, मैं जवाहर तुम की तालिबा है। हमारे स्कूल का नाम इखरा स्कूल है। आज का मेरा मॉडल है न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम हुज़ैफा अंजुम, मैं जमात तुम की तालिबा। हमारे स्कूल का नाम इखरा स्कूल है। आज का मेरा मॉडल न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट है। न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट को उर्दू में थर्मल पावर प्लांट कहते हैं। ये एक थर्मल पावर स्टेशन है जो बिजली पैदा करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होती है। इसमें यूरेनियम जैसे ईंधन के न्यूक्लियर को तोड़कर हालत पैदा की जाती है जिससे भाप बनती है और टरबाइन चलकर बिजली पैदा करती है। ये तवन्नाई का मौसर और कम कार्बन खारिज करने वाला जरिया है। न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट का काम करने का तरीका, न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर के अंदर यूरेनियम के एटमों को तकसीम किया जाता है जिससे बेपनाह फ्यूजन हालत कर जाता है। यह हालत पानी को भाप में तब्दील करता है जो टरबाइनों को घुमाते हैं और जनरेटर के जरिए बिजली बनती है।
फवायदे कोयले के मुकाबले में माहौल का दोस्त नुकसान, ये एटमी फजले और हसद का खतरा इसका मनफी फैला हुआ है। न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट क्या मतलब, इसमें आमतौर पर यूरेनियम इस्तेमाल होता है। यही रिएक्टर ठंडा रखता है और हालत मुस्तकिल करता है।
न्यूक्लियर प्लांट अगर हमारे पास अगर ना हो तो क्या होगा, क्या नुकसान होंगे?
बिजली नहीं होगी, अपने को हमारे पढ़ने में बहुत नुकसान हो जाता है और बिजली कुछ भी चीजें बनाने में बहुत नुकसान होता है।
बहुत हमारी लाइफ में,
जी
हमारी जिंदगी में इसकी बहुत ज्यादा अहमियत है। इसका मतलब ये है आपको न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट के फायदे क्या है बेटे बोलिए?
इससे हमको बिजली हासिल होती है
और करंट,
बिजली से अपन क्या क्या कर सकते हैं?
कुछ भी चीज बना सकते हैं और रात में भी अगर ज्यादा तो पढ़ने का रहा तो रात में बहुत मुश्किल होती है। बिजली के जरिए हम आसानी से पढ़ सकते हैं।
बिजली के बगैर अपनी जिंदगी अधूरी हो जाती है। शुक्रिया।
Today I am going to explain my project school. Good morning. My name is Afia Fatima. I am studying third standard in Iqra School English Medium. Today I am going to explain my project school. School is a place where we learn new things. Teachers help us to study and grow. We learn to read, write, and count in school. School teaches us good manners and discipline. We make friends at school. School has classrooms, playground, and a library. We play games and do physical activities in school. School helps us become smart and confident. We should respect teachers and classmates. School helps us build a bright future. Thank you.
Person who teaches in school.
Teachers.
Please we will study.
School.
Good morning, myself Sayyida Daraksha. I am studying 9th standard.
Good morning, myself Aisha Rumana. I am studying 9th standard.
Today our model is hydroponic farming.
Hydroponic farming is a modern method of growing plants without using soil. In this system, plant roots are placed in nutrient-rich water or supporting medium like coco peat and gravel. The nutrients dissolved in water directly reach to the roots, helping the plants grow faster, healthier with less water. Hydroponic farming can be done indoors and useful where soil quality is poor.
What is the benefits of this project?
Benefits of hydroponic farming. Water efficiency. Because water is recirculated in closed system, hydroponics uses dramatically less water with up to 90% reduction as compared to field farming. Space optimization. Vertical stacking allows for high density growing, meaning 3 to 10 times more food can be produced in the same or even smaller area compared to conventional method. Hydroponic farming is mostly used in USA, Canada, Japan, mainly in China. Hydroponic farming in China is advancing utilizing AI control system and limited arable land and urbanization.
Thank you.
In India there is no.
There is no hydroponic.
Yes, because they are using this type of method.
Conventional farm.
Start करें. Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. Myself Alfi Firdaus and I'm studying in 9th standard in Iqra High School.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. Myself Taha. I am studying 9th standard in Iqra High School.
Today my model is wastewater treatment. Wastewater is very dirty water that comes from our homes, schools, industries and factories.
This water contains dirt, oil, chemicals and harmful germs. If it is released directly into rivers or lakes, this water contains water pollution and harms living organisms.
In my model, wastewater treatment, cleaning step by step. First step, screening. That water that passes through screen or mash filter. These remove large solid like plastics, leaves and cloth pieces. Second stage, sedimentation. That water that flows water's sedimentation tank. Here, heavy particles like sand and mud settle at the bottom due to gravity. It is called sludge.
Third stage, filtration. Now the waste passes through layers of stones, sands and charcoals. These layers remove impurity and bad smell. Fourth stage, disinfectants. In this stage, germs and bacteria are killed using disinfectants like chlorine, making the water safer. After all these steps, the water becomes clean and reused for gardening, cleaning and irrigation.
This working model demonstrates how the wastewater is cleaning step by step, screening, sedimentation, filtration and disinfection.
By treating it properly, the water becomes reduced pollution.
Now we are telling some slogans on it. Save water, treat water. If you save water, water will save you.
Save water, save life. Don't waste water, treat it.
Thank you.
How to save water? How to save water?
Don't waste water.
Don't waste.
What is the second stage in this?
Second stage, sedimentation.
Good morning. Myself Ariba Mahin. I am studying 5th standard in Iqra High School English Medium. Today we are going to explain science fair project, that is human respiratory system working model. Human respiratory system is vital for breathing. It brings oxygen into the body and removes carbon dioxide. The lungs are the primary organs of respiration. Air enters through the nose or mouth, passing into the trach. The trach divides into bronchi, leading to lungs. Oxygen is absorbed into the bloodstream from the lungs. Carbon dioxide is removed from the blood and exhaled. Rib muscle aid in breathing. A healthy respiratory system is essential for life. Proper care and exercise can maintain its health. Thank you.
Show me that.
How it is
Which gas is inhaled?
We inhale oxygen.
Which gas we exhale?
We exhale carbon dioxide.
In Iqra High School English Medium. Today we are going to explain science project, that is the kidney working model. Kidneys are two bean-shaped organs. They are parts of urinary system. Their main function is to filter waste substance from the blood and excrete them in the form of urine. They are located at the back of the body, below the ribs and between the hips. Normally an adult kidney weight is 150 grams. The length of an adult kidney is about 10 to 12 centimeter and the width is 5 to 7 centimeter. It has many blood vessels which have been supplying blood to kidney. The kidney has many functional units called nephrons. Their main function is to filter the blood, control blood volume and pressure, control pH of the blood. We need healthy kidneys to stay strong and healthy. Thank you.
What is the function of this right kidney?
Kidney filter waste and extra water from the blood.
Where is these kidneys are located in the human
Kidneys are located in the back side of the body.
Good morning, my name is Aisha Khan. I am studying 9th standard in Iqra High School. Good morning everyone, my name is Arban Oshin. I am studying 9th standard in Iqra High School. Today I am going to explain drip irrigation. Drip irrigation is a method of watering plants by providing water drops by drops near their roots. This technique saves water and keeps plant healthy. Drip irrigation involves the use of pipes with small holes that are placed near the roots. Water flow through these pipes and slowly drip it this way. Plant get just right amount of water they need. Benefits: save water, prevent wastage, enhances plants growth, reduces weeds. Drip irrigation is used. Drip irrigation is commonly used in farms, garden and greenhouses. It is especially helpful in dry region where water is scarce. Drip irrigation is an efficient and effective strategy for conserving water and promoting the growth of healthy plants. Thank you. Gardens and greenhouses, agriculture, water transport to the lands.
What is the benefits of drip irrigation?
Save water, prevent wastage, enhances plants growth, reduces weeds. Thank you.
This is project on the water cycle, which is nature's way of recycling water. It has four stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. The water cycle is very important because it provides us with fresh water and supports all life on earth. My project helped me to understand how water constantly moves and by protecting it is so important. Thank you.
Continuously movement of on water on it.
What is condensation?
Water falling on as ribbon, snow or hail.
Evaporation?
Water changing into vapor due to heat.
Good morning everyone, my name is Zarina Fatima. I am studying 4th standard in Iqra High School. Today I want to say about pillars of Islam. The 5 pillars of Islam are the 5 basic duties of Muslim. They teach us how to live a good, honest and disciplined life. First pillar, Shahadat. It is the belief that there is no good but Allah and Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. This is the most important pillars of Islam. Second pillar, Salah. Salah means prayer. Prayer teaches discipline and patience. Third pillar, Zakat. Zakat means charity. Muslims give a part of their money of the poor and needy. Fourth pillar, Saw means fasting during the month of Ramzan. Fifth pillar, Hajj. Hajj is Makkah. Hajj teach unity and equality. Thank you.
नीचे भेजो, इधर से भेजो.
Good morning, my name is Aisha. I am studying 2nd standard. Today I am going to explain my project. Good morning, my name is Aisha. I am studying 2nd standard. Today I am going to explain my project. My project name is Day and Night. Day and night are caused by the rotation of the earth. The daytime has sunlight. Day and night follow a regular partner. Day and night make like balance on earth. Day and night happen every 24 years. The sun is very star twinkle at night. Thank you.
हाँ मिसबा स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ऑनर के साथ साथ मैं प्रिंसिपल भी हूँ. मेरा उस्मान है मेरा नाम. हाँ, हमारा ये साइंस फेयर रखने का मकसद ये है कि बच्चों के स्कूल करिकुलम के अलावा एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलम में भी उनका टैलेंट को हम लोग डेवलप करना चाह रहे हैं। इस वजह से बच्चों को अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हर प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में डिटेल, जो भी जिस तरीके से वो लोग प्रोजेक्ट बनाए हैं वो प्रोजेक्ट को लोग कैसे तरीके से प्रिपेयर करे हैं और व्हाट इज़ द बेनिफिट ऑफ दैट मॉडल, व्हाई वी आर यूजिंग दैट मॉडल, उस वजह से वो लोग बच्चे उसको अच्छी तरीके से डिस्क्रिप्शंस करना चाह रहे हैं। हमारे पास कई किस्म के मॉडल्स हैं, मैथमेटिकल मॉडल्स आर देयर और फिजिकल साइंस एंड एज वेल एज बायोलॉजिकल साइंस, फिर सोशल स्टडीज़ है, फिर LKG हमारे स्कूल के इकरा हाई स्कूल के इंग्लिश मीडियम एंड उर्दू मीडियम स्टूडेंट्स में LKG से 10th तक के तमाम बच्चे, ऑल स्टूडेंट शुड बी पार्टिसिपेट इन दैट साइंस फेयर और साइंस एग्जीबिशन। एंड माशाल्लाह बड़ा प्यारे तरीके से वो लोग अपने मॉडल के बारे में एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं। और इवन लिफ्ट, हाउ लिफ्ट का कैसा यूज़ है, फिर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह ग्राउंड फ्लोर टू GF से लेके 5th फ्लोर तक कैसे फास्ट तरीके से कौन सी भी हम लोग अपन खुद जा रहे हैं या नहीं तो अपन कोई चीज़ को ऊपर कैसे तरीके से वो छोटे 3rd and 4th क्लास के बच्चे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं अपना मॉडल, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह। फिर और इसके अलावा देखें जैसा कि आप लोग जो बताए हैं वो ब्लड टेस्ट कैसा करे हैं, छोटे 9th 10th के गर्ल्स करे हैं। फिर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह प्रोजेक्ट का कैसे तरीके से प्रोजेक्टर्स में हम लोग कैसे तरीके से बच्चे करे हैं। AI का व्हाट इज़ द बेनिफिट नाउ ओनली एंड फ्यूचर टाइम, हाउ वी कैन यूज़ फॉर फ्रॉम AI, वो भी बच्चे अच्छी तरीके से बताए हैं। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।